Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Spencer. So today, I'm going to teach you how to learn verb. So verb is an action word, or it is one of the main parts of the sentence. So we have here examples. So Anna is dancing. So the action word here is dancing. So what is Anna doing? She is dancing. So dancing is the action word or the verb. Number 2, Spencer is singing. So what is Spencer doing? He is singing. So that is the action word there, or the verb. Number 3, the dogs are running. So what are the dogs doing? They are running. So that is the action word here, or the verb, running. So it's very simple, guys. It's very simple, kids. So the dancing, singing, and running are called verbs or action words. Thank you. See you guys again.
Hey.